myself Professor KHEMNAR MS from ADSUL'S Technical Campus in MBA department, SAS, Ahmednagar. Last lecture discussed the cash flow statement under direct method is prepared. Today lecture the remaining formulas cash flow statement under direct method. First of all, subject name is Advanced Financial Management and Unit First Financial Planning and Shareholder Value. Topic cash flow statement. So the cash flow statement two types. First one is the indirect method and second one is direct method. Most of the time use in direct method. So the direct method formula already discussed the direct method formula. Remaining formula today lecture discussed it today lecture. So the remaining formula first one is net cash flow from operating activity. Net cash flow from operating activity. From operating activity. Activity. This is called E minus F is equal to G among this column. E minus F means, show the E minus F. Cash, last previous lecture discussed the formulas. Cash flow from extraordinary item, this is called E, and F means adjusted extraordinary item, this is called F. Means E minus F is equal to G. G means net cash flow from operating activity, this is called G. Okay, next one is show the next one. Cash flow from investing activity. Cash flow from investing activity. Investing activities in bracket calculation same as under indirect method. Calculation same as under indirect method. Indirect method. This is called EH. And amount final column. And next one is show the next one. Cash flow from financial activity. This is the investing activity. This is called EH. EH means cash flow from investing activity, and next one is cash flow from financing activity. Cash flow from financing activity. Financing activity calculations. Financing activity means calculation same as under indirect method. Same as under indirect method. This is called I. Amount this column. So the next one, net increase in cash and cash equivalent. Net increase This is called G. G means net cash flow from operating activity, and next one is cash flow from investing activity. Calculate same as under indirect method. This is called H. Amount this column, and next one is cash flow from financing activity. Calculations same as under indirect method. This is called I. In this three item is equal to J, means G plus H plus I is equal to J. J means net increase in cash and cash equivalent. This is called J. Amount this column. And next one is cash and cash equivalent at the beginning of the period. Cash and cash equivalent at the beginning of the period. This is called K. Amount this column. And next one is, show the next one. K means cash and cash equivalent at the beginning of the period. Cash and cash equivalent at the end of the period. And cash equivalent at the end of the period. End of the period. End of the period. This is called J plus K. J plus K. J plus K means net increase in cash and cash equivalent. Cash equivalent. This is a G plus H plus I is equal to J. Okay, and next one is K means cash and cash equivalent at the beginning of the period. This is called K. J plus K is equal to cash and cash equivalent at the end of the period. Amount this column. This is the formulas in cash flow from statement under direct method. This is the second formula, direct method. Formulas is over, and next one is show the problem solution. So the solve problem. Cash flow statement. So the cash flow statement. Cash flow statement. Problem first. From the following summary of cash account X Limited. From the following summary. Following summary of cash account of X Limited. Cash account of X Limited. X Limited prepare cash flow statement for the year ended. Prepare cash flow statement particular. First one is to balance brought down. To balance brought down 1 April 2019. 50. Next one is two equity shares. Two equity shares. 300. To receive from customer. To receive from customer. To receive from customer 2800. To sale of fixed asset. To sale of fixed asset. 100. So this side, by payment to suppliers. By payment to suppliers amount 2000. And next one is by purchase of fixed asset. By of fixed asset. By purchase of fixed asset 200. By overhead expenses. By overhead expenses 200. By wages and salary. By wages and salary 100. By taxations. By taxation 250. By dividend 50. By repayment of loan. By repayment of loan 300. And by balance carried down. 31st March 2020 150. Summary is over. Total 3250. This side 3250. And solution is next lectures. Today discussing remaining formula and summary of problem. Thank you for all of you and thank you for everyone.